top shelf drink to set me straight, and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heart, but that's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, I'm tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go. Bonnie, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think by now. Knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. Looking at my confidence and talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddamn it, I see her point. It's time to go home, I know.
Sa adventure na to ay pinuntahan natin ang mga probinsya ng Ifugao at Benguet. Matatagpuan ito sa Cordillera Administrative Region sa Northern Luzon. Dinaanan natin ang pinakamataas na highway sa Pilipinas na may elevation na 7,968 feet above sea level. Di naging madali ang biyahe natin dahil sa matatarik at lubak na daan. Samahan mo pa ng napakalamig na klima.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will...
Napakagandang kabundukan, no? Grabe, no? Sobrang gulay, oh. Mga kabundukan. May mini falls dito.
Dahil nga wala ng signal dito, nagtanong muna tayo sa mga locals kung tama pa rin ba yung dinadaanan natin.
Kaya? Dito rin pa rin ba yung pa mountain back? Diretso lang? Ah, sige. Ah, sige kuya. Thank you. Wow! Solid! Grabe, oh! Woo! Solid, oh!
We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown.
Buti na lang ay may baon tayong itlog dahil inabutan na ako ng gutom sa kalagitnaan ng bundok.
Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Well, we spent the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly started.
Paano kaya nagana to, no? Wala namang makina. O, sa may taas. Baka nasa taas yung makina. Oh! Grabe! Taas na natin! Thank you, Lord! Sobrang lamig! Taas na natin, guys! Umambon na dito! Woo! Solid! Grabe, Lord! Yung mga gawa mo, napakaganda! Taas na natin! Tataas pa tayo! Lalalala! Dito na magpulag sa kabila, oh! Wow! Solid! Grabe yung mga pulo, kakaiba, oh.
After ng ilang oras na pagmamotor ay narating na rin natin ang new highest point. Andito na tayo sa Bugyas. Kinakabahan nga ako dito dahil 1 PM na ng hapon. Pero hindi pa ako nakakarating ng Mount Timbuk. Meron pang halos 1 oras na biyahe. At wala pa rin akong nahanap na tutulugan natin. Mount Timbuk guys. Farmers, welcome to Mangkayan. Ito yung papuntang Mangkayang Benguet. Tumitingin ako ng restaurant pero wala akong makita. Yo. Guys, kain muna tayo. Dito ako sa may Bugyas. Tingin muna tayo dito ng mga kainan natin. Gutom na rin ako. At alas 12 na rin yung pagkain natin ngayon. Beef steak, talong, and rice.
Everybody's got to run, and ain't nobody gonna hold you. And everybody needs someone. Don't try to go alone. Don't say I never told you. When you wake up tomorrow and your heart ain't feeling right, I'd love to steal all of it, say goodbye to pain and sorrow every day and every night.
Atok Benguet.
I once heard somebody say, this is living don't come easy, and you never find your way.
Tarik pala nito guys. Tapos ang timbak dito. Uy, ano to? Sobrang tarik. Ang tarik! Pero sementado naman. Yeah. Mount Timbuk this way. Wow. Grabe oh. Tignan mo naman yan oh. Grabe oh. Guys, tignan mo naman yan oh. What? Papunta na sa atin yung fog. Wow. Haha. Wala ka na makita oh. Grabe. Me. Padaan ako me. Nakakaintindi siya.
Akala ko tapos na ang ahonan. Pero hindi pala, dahil dito pa lang nag-uumpisa ang tunay na ahonan.
Tarik nito. Grabe. Tapos patay yung ano. Pero maganda naman yung daanan. Kayang-kaya naman, no? Yung... sa mountain back sa amin.
The Noah's Ark at Mount Timbuk is a ship-shaped building near the summit in Atok Benguet at 2,717 meters above sea level. It is the third highest peak in Luzon. The site sits above the clouds and features a viewing deck overlooking the vegetable terraces. The average temperature in Mount Timbuk ranges from 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. It is one of the coldest places in the Philippines, especially during the early morning, at night, and during the amihan or northeast monsoon. Dito ay pabalik na tayo ng Abatan para maghanap ng matutulugan. Dahil walang oras na din tayo nagmomotor, kailangan na din natin magpahinga. Maaga pa tayo aalis bukas tungo sa Lake Tabello.
All of my friends, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you.
Guys, ito muna yung magiging bahay natin sa gabi na to, no? Ayan, papakita ko. Ayan. Ito yung magiging room natin. Then, meron tayong kitchen dito. Painitan ng tubig, pwede kayo magluto. Ayan. Then, ito pa. Pakita ko sa inyo yung balcony natin. Ayan, napakaganda. Grabe. Then, ito naman yung magiging CR natin. Yan. Linis, no? Grabe. Yung price pala na ito, guys, is 400 lang. Meron sila ditong solong room, kaso 1,000 yung price nun. Pero may hot shower yun. Ito kasi wala. So, may pa-party pa kayo sa inyo. Tara, tingnan natin yung sa may taas. Kaya tayo sa may taas.
Ooh. Grabe oh.
Di ako makapaniwala na may ganitong lugar pa pala sa Pilipinas.
I keep looking for love, yeah, where the mangroves grew, where the cottonmouth smiles back at me under a full moon.
Maaga tayo gumising dahil pupunta tayo ngayon ng Lake Tabeo. Aabutin din tayo ng mahigit 1 oras na biyahe.
Oh, grabe dito guys oh. Wala kang makita sa daan. Napakalamig. Woo! Ang lamig. Thank you Lord for today's weather. Wow. Napakalamig for today's weather. Wow. Ooh. Di mo ma-imagine yung nasa town ka or city ka tapos ganito yung umaga nyo. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord God. What a beautiful morning. Napakaganda ng scenic oh. Sea of clouds, mountains. Ingat lang tayo sa daanan kasi yung mga ganitong daanan pag nabasa, nahaluan ng putik o buhangin, madulas. Balik kayo parang lo.
Benguet is a land where the cloud kiss the peaks. Winding roads, carved through breathtaking landscapes, and every turn reveals a view worth remembering. Benguet is a mountain paradise, filled with towering pine forests, rolling vegetables terraces, crystal clear rivers, and endless valleys wrapped in cool mountain air. This is a place where every mile feels like an adventure. From steep mountain passes to hidden lakes and remote villages. It's a destination that rewards those willing to take the road less traveled. Far from the noise of the city, Benguet offers a slower rhythm of life. Here, nature speaks through the whispering pines, the cool breeze, and the silence of the mountains. Benguet isn't just a place you visit. It's a place you feel. The crisp mountain air, the breathtaking scenery, and the warmth of its people make every moment unforgettable.
It's been a long week trying to make ends meet. going nowhere fast. I'm so tired of the same routine. No use in walking the line. Let's push our cares away. That bottle's calling our name, and we ain't leaving till it's dry. We're about to get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going all night. Yeah, we're gonna drink until it's dry. Alright now. Low lights settling in, the room is picking up. Feels like we're stepping in to shake the day right out. So go on and hit me again. This night isn't done, we're finally letting loose. We're pouring out the good times, and we ain't quitting till it's dry. We're about to get our minds